Gang, ended up in an undisclosed location on the south side of Atlanta for work. And I came to check out, well, this thing, because I thought it was pretty cool. And it turns out there's a junkyard next door, tucked back behind a building. And I was looking around. Let's see if we can get in there and eyeball it. Do you see? No, you can't. Right there, tucked in behind a school bus and everything else, is a 59 Ranchero. It's really hard to see in there. It looks like the body's actually in okay shape. I can't really see the quarters that well. Bed's full of leaves, so it's probably rusty. Hood's open, unfortunately. Kind of looks like there was a fire or something like that, the way the paint's peeled. And the carburetor appears to be off. So I'll bet that motor is full of water. So anyway, that's pretty neat. I may try to go see who owns it. I don't even know how a guy would get it out if they were going to even consider, you know, parting ways with it, which I'm sure they're not, which is why it's where it is. But it's difficult to spot. So it doesn't have an inline six in it, so that means it is either a Y block or the 352 motor, I think is what came out. I don't really speak that era of Ford too well past the Y block. In fact, I don't really speak any Ford past the Y block, but I don't know, maybe I can wander over there. I mean, reckon it's been there a long time. Well, I made my way over here. Guys are real nice. Holy moly. Good from afar, but far from good, my friends. Should have been sitting here 3 or 4 years. I can't tell what that is. Is that a Y block? I don't know. Super weird valve covers. Y-end intake. She's crusty. That looks okay. I don't know, I mean, the paint's just peeling right off. A little drain hole down there. That's all Bondo. Ooh, this whole thing is Bondo. Huh. Is that the Ranchero logo? Sides just as bad. Rockers are gone. Door bottoms are gone. Glass is good. Headlight bezel's gone on one side. That parking light is sitting right under there. That's rusted out. I'm guessing it's got no floors, but it's cool. I mean, unfortunately, that carburetor open like that, as full of leaves as this thing is right now, that motor is shot. I wonder if we can get into it though. I mean, it's kind of surprising the bed's still there. Stone Mountain Park Pass. A little tree damage. Well, hot damn. No. Is that air conditioning? I mean, aftermarket, but it's actually, well, there's the old carburetor. A Holly. Floors are bad. There's the old trim tag. I mean, it's bad, but it's not as bad as it could be. It's got the Fairlane 500 Galaxy dash plates. I don't know what that means. Still got the headliner with a chrome bow. Gang, this thing's pretty cool. What does it say on the old clock there? 69, no. Oh, spiders, so many spiders. Showing 19,909 miles, so we'll go ahead and assume that's 119,000. I mean, oh, there's got it. There's all the AC stuff tucked back in there. Dang, that's a lot more floorboard than ought to be back there. Definitely got some plants growing in on the other side there. Door closes nice though. At some point, somebody skim coated it. It's not that bad, but it's obviously not good. It's like an 1/8 of Bondo or something, and then paint. So we're gonna go ahead and say this is clearly not original paint. Bummer about the broken glass, but that's flat. Oh, that door's, well, maybe it's not shaking as bad as I thought. All right, so there's the whole AC thing. What do we got here? Don't know what that means, but I'll agree with it. Oh. Anyway, gang, I guess I'm gonna try to track down the owner, see if I can maybe make an offer on it. I don't know why. I think it's easy to see potential in things like this. It may be a lot worse than I think it is, but really, the rear ends that were in these things were really strong. It's already a V8, although, you know, I don't think there's any hope for that motor. You never know. Super cool to look at anyway. All right, gang, that's pretty cool to look at. It's rough, but you know, it does everything, at least that I look at. So yeah, I left my number with the man that seemed to be running the place. He said the guy that owned it left it there 3 or 4 years ago, and he comes by every once in a while, and you can hand him my number. I don't know if he will. I don't know if I'll ever hear from him again, but at least I got to look at it. And if he calls, I'll do my best to buy it, because I'd like to see it back on the road. It looks like a lot of fun. Kind of a neat car. All right, good luck on your projects out there. See you next time on Between the Sharks.